Hi, Jarrod Carman from the UV Group Mornington Peninsula, and I'm at 8 Park Avenue in Mornington. As the name would suggest, the house looks like it's in a parkland, but there is a park down the end of the street. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 3-car garage, and it is immaculate. Come inside and take a look. So from the minute you walk through the front door, you get the sense of quality. Floorboards are beautiful. Right behind me there is the main bedroom, and it is huge. It's enormous. There's living space here, across from the entrance to the triple garage and the laundry, and then you've got another beautiful living space. Gas log fire, and straight off that, you come out into this gorgeous entertaining area. Everything is manicured and immaculate. From there, we roll straight through to the open plan dining and living room, and this beautiful renovated kitchen. It is stunning. Beyond that, there's more living. If you like watching movies, theatre room, lock yourself in there, watch TV to your heart's content. Thanks so much for coming along the tour of 8 Park Avenue. I'm sure you see it's an absolutely stunning property that's ready for you to walk straight into. So if you'd like to book an inspection, please give me a call, or we'll see you at the open, but I wouldn't mess around. This is ready to move straight into. Come and check it out.